Ito nga pala si Mami, ano. Yan yung morning exercise niya. Every other day yan, ano, yan. Parang Zumba. Sa kanyang pagbabawas ng timbang at exercise na rin. Yan, gumagamit lang siya ng isang cellphone, saka may speaker din siya. Nice. Now, next one that you got is going to be your push squats. Okay? But we'll get to that eventually. First thing that we got is going to be your knee lift progression. Okay? Now, bring it right into that knee up. Up right there. Yes. Come on. Don't stop. You got it. Now, from that knee lift, I want you to add those arms to the reach. Reach up high as you can. I want you to pull down some joy today, right? This is how we're starting that Monday off. Come on. Pull. Pull. Big reach. Come on. Pull that knee up. Remember, you want to keep that core tight. Chest up. Come on. Reach up high as you can. Pull down that reach. Come on. Now we're going to take those knees a little wider. You ready? 3, 2, 1. Wide. 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 Yes. You got it. Sa pool? Come on, stay with us. Tumatama. Sige, ano yun mo. Medyo parang i-insert mo yung, ano, yung siko mo. Parang pinapasok mo. Ganun. Shug. Shug. Yan. Grabe. Hindi niya na maano yung kanyang braso. Sige. Bas mo lang ang pads mo. Hindi na kasi siya masyadong pinagpapawisan. Here we go. We're going into your mini squats. Last double. Mini squat. Let's go. Mini squat. Yes. Way to go. All right. Now, when you're pulling down stuff, I want you to pull down that joy. Pull down some healing. Wherever you want in your life today, in your heart. Pull it down. Because you can do it. Ayan, ano. Ayan. You ready? Are we ready? All right. Here we go. Ayan, yung parang umano-ano ka. 3, 2, 1. Knee lift center. Right there. Yes. Remember, core is tight. Yes. Yan. Hindi. Bring the knee up a little higher. Higher. Tuhod, taas. Yes. Now, remember, pull. Big reach. Don't quit. Come on. Don't quit. Don't quit. Don't stop. Reach up high as you can. Touch that ceiling. Touch that sky. Touch the sky. Now, remember, we're going to go wide. Go wide. 3, 2, in 1. Double. Let's go. Double. Tuhod, nakataas. Parang double. Stay with me. Ganun, double. Oh, you guys are doing so good.
Ayoko pa niya i-make. Masyado ng hard yun eh.
Come on. Don't think.
Nick!
Yes! Ito na nga yung exercise muli. Ito yung ating gusto niya exercise yung para sa yung kay Doktora tawagin. So parang yun yung parang sa babae. So, mas gusto niya to. Parang mas easy at mas kabisado niya na. Clutch tummy. Kick and kick. Up to walk in.
Yeah, run. Walk, walk, walk. Reach up. Importante kasi yan, kailangan magpawisan kahit pa paano. Minsan kasi hindi na siya, nahirapan din lumabas yung pawis. Gawa ng yung nerve problem. So every ano siya, pag gising niya mga, kasi gigising siya mga 6, then mag-start na siya ng mga 7 or 8. So pag kami nag-exercise dun kami sa may jogging, sa may Arca South talaga. Doon talaga mayroong jogging pathway sa may mga spot talaga dun, or may area na para sa mga nag-jogging, gustong mag-walking at mag-biking. So sa Arca South din yun, sa may Taguig, sa may yung dating FTI. So maraming araw-araw talaga, mga 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 a.m. maraming nag-exercise. So may mga video rin kami doon kung nag-exercise. Hindi lang namin na-upload. So ang sabi nga ni Mrs. ay kami ay mag-active ulit sa YouTube. So baka pala rin sana supportahan niyo po ang aming channel. Kasi nag-start kami pandemic pa, pero stop nga kami dahil ayun, dahil nagpabalik-balik nga sa hospital ang misis ko. At nawala kami sa focus at ito gusto namin makabalik ulit sa YouTube.
music. Blow out that air. Oh my goodness. Walk easy, walk easy. Here you change the pace.
Oh yeah.
You got through the high, fast pace already. It's time for our heart rate to come back down. Slowly, we gradually bring the heart rate back down to a safe level, and then we stretch. We're almost there to that big announcement. I'll give it to you in a couple minutes. Hang on. Hey guys, side step right here. Hey guys, just an easy pace. Step, tap forward. Just 2 up and 2 back. Step, tap forward. 4 and 3, 2. All you do is step, tap, step, and then go back. Step, tap, step, tap, step, tap. Relax. You're on your way out. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Wow, you got into this mile so fast, and you're on your way out of it. I mean, it's coming up quick. Step, 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 tap, step, tap. It doesn't go like that. Camilla. Why would people say I don't have time to work out? Why do they say it? You have time. You have 15 minutes. I know you do. Step speed, step speed. Change it to
Minutes
speed.
daw.
Go, 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 go. Anywhere you want to go, guys. You go. Step speed, step. I love it. That's the way to put a little beat in that move. That's the way. Woo! Go, guys. Go, Cheryl. Go, Susie. There's my girl. Go, Susie. Step speed, step speed, step speed, step speed. Walk, 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 walk. Yeah, we walked today, and we felt so good. Walk real slow. Blow out that air. You did one multi-muscle, all walks of life, walk. If you were outside and you took the music with you, walk to the beat, you'd be a mile away. Your body can take a mile of fitness, and that's how fast you can get fit. I love it. Thank you, everybody, for walking with us today. We'll see you the next time we walk together. Nice. That is so big. Strong movement, so there's a lot of muscle going on. And you'll get a big, big workout today. Give me 2 more. 1 and 2. Back to walk. Knees up. Knees up. Knees up. Knees up. Very good. This is where I love to help everybody just get that natural good posture. You heard me earlier. Tuck your belly back. Yeah. Okay, upper body. I just want to wake it up a little bit. Up and down. Reach up. Reach up. Reach up. Come on, throw those hands to heaven and count your blessings. And up. Truly stimulate. Reach. And reach. 2 more. 1 more. Joanne. Mary Lynn. Yeah. Walk, girl.
Okay ka? Tapos ka na?
Thank you po.
Very
Thank you
nice.
po. Don't forget to
Pick up those
subscribe,
feet, those
like,
arms.
share.
4,
Bye
3,
everyone. God
side
bless.
step,
Okay,
step
natapos
big,
na yun
guys.
yung
Step
ano.
out.